Hey guys, Uncle Pip here, and welcome to the September farm vlog video. I am extremely excited, and this month I want to get back to my roots and do what we did in the past. So here in the background, you're going to be watching me do some work, and while I'm doing that work, I'll be telling you a nice story in the meantime. This month was going to be a lot of work. I wanted to do a scrap run, and that's what you're seeing right now. To do the scrap run, I had to move the baler. What happened was I wanted to get that John Deere 2010 fixed up, and we had problems, and of course we documented that here on the channel, and you're welcome to go back to the old videos and watch some of those. But we finally got it running, so that's the first big update that I want to remind everybody of. That was huge. Never thought I'd do that, so I'm very happy. But now that we got the 2010 running again, we also got the baler home. So of course that's a New Holland 271 square baler. Special news alert. The truck does not work again. Don't know why. Went to start it, still didn't start. Oil level was full. That is not the problem. It is slightly on a hill, but it is ever so slight of a hill. I'm beginning to think this is part of the pass lock anti-theft security system. I think you hear the goats in the background. Those goats are my neighbor's goats. I no longer have goats. Before I started the channel, I actually did have a few goats, and I've decided I don't want to farm goats at the time, or at the moment rather. So let's just dive into the stuff that's been happening recently within the channel. It all started, well, probably started back in June, to be honest with you. And after I moved the baler, I had to pick up the fence panels. Once we moved the fence panels, those were going to be put on the trailer, and then the metal tubing was going to be placed on top of them, and we would scrap them all in one run. I had the truck hooked up to the trailer, and I moved the panels onto that trailer, and then the truck wouldn't start. And I got some footage of that here as well. I'll be playing some of that right now. Now once we got that problem, that was on Tuesday. It is currently Thursday. The truck still does not run. There's a lot of weeds here, as tall as the Jeep is. So I got this ready. All I gotta do is move the truck so I can back the mower into here and mow this, and then I can just throw that stuff on. Well, maybe. You'll notice the hood is up because, watch this, nothing's happening. So a friend of mine came over and he disconnected the trailer from the truck and pushed the trailer away from the truck using the John Deere 2010 off camera. And he emptied off the trailer, and then he took that for his own farm for using it somewhere else. I came back here on Thursday and I hooked up the 2010 to the truck and I moved the truck out of the way, and then I used the Farmall BN to finish doing the mowing. Now on Tuesday, when nothing else worked, the camera actually died as well. So off camera, I did all the mowing for the entire farm, which was never actually the plan, and it was not on camera, like I said. But that happened. So now today, I came back and I finished mowing. The only parts that I didn't get to were blocked by the truck. So that's why I had to move the truck. And now that it's moved, I also went ahead and used the 2010 to move the Woods 306 belly mower that we have. If you remember from an earlier video, that's the one that we had bought. With the 1940 Farmall A. The A is locked up and we are using it as parts. I've used a good many parts off of it and I'm very thankful that I have it. But the belly mower does not fit the Farmall BN like I thought it would, and that's why we just keep having to move it around so we can mow around it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tune in next time where hopefully we get the truck started. Hopefully. Take care. That's a deer. Where there's one, there's usually more. I wonder if we could... No, I don't see any more. That was random. It doesn't run as it is. And then sell a couple parts. And once I sell the parts, then I will include... Another deer right there.